Hey guys, we received this rivmount winter gloves for men or women for test and try. This is a waterproof, windproof, cold weather, warm gloves with touchscreen fingers. So let me just open up this packing and show it to you. So you can use it for driving, cycling, biking, riding, walking, or wherever the purpose you want. So this is a nice packing. So let me just take this out. So these are the two gloves here. So it's a nice soft material, waterproof, and it feels premium. Inside also you can see the warm uh, lining. So this is a really good lining and comfy lining. So fits really well in the hand, and you can adjust the tightness and things from the side. So the both gloves feels really nice on the hand, fits really well, and then it's comfortable from inside as I can feel. There's no issue by working on my hands along with this, and they're comfortable as well. So just to see like you can use your touch with your mobile. So you can see like can directly operate, just open, torch, light, and everything is working fine. So this is a touch screen. You can easily work with your touch screen with your gloves. So it's pretty nice thing. While in the winter, you can use it anywhere you want.